Hello everybody, today we're gonna see how to deposit a check in Venmo bank account. First, open the application and log into your account. After that, go to your profile clicking on me and click add money. Then you should choose cash a check. After that, click get sorted. A privacy policy page will appear. You should read and accept the terms and conditions. After that, you should enter your details such as the date of birth, the SSN, etc. After that, click next. And if you have already verified your identity in Venmo, you don't need to fill this form. You will directly go to this page. After that, enter the amount of the check and upload a photo of the front of the check and the back of the check. After that, click done. And yeah, you have successfully deposited a check in your Venmo bank account. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and peace.